Hey, Jake. You look a little worried. Is everything okay?
Hey, Emily. I'm just thinking about my money. I get paid every month, but it's gone so fast.
Oh, no. That's stressful. Do you have a budget?
A budget? Not really. I just try not to spend too much.
That can be hard. A monthly budget helps you plan your money.
Really? How does it work?
It's simple. First, you write down how much money you make every month.
Okay. I make $2,800 from my job.
Great. Now, write down your monthly expenses.
Like rent and food?
Yes. Rent, food, electricity, phone bill, transportation, and other things.
Let me think. Rent is $1,000. Groceries, maybe $400. My phone bill is $60. Gas is about $100. I also pay $50 for internet.
Perfect. Now let's add them up. That's $1,610.
Wow. I still have $1,190 left.
Yes. Now decide how much to save.
I can try to save $300.
Good idea. What do you want to save for?
Maybe for a car or an emergency.
That's smart. Saving is important. Then use the rest for fun or other things.
So $1,190 minus $300 is $890. That's for fun, clothes, or anything else.
Exactly. Budgeting gives you control.
I never thought of it this way. Thanks, Emily.
No problem. Do you want to learn how to track spending too?
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
Okay, let's talk about that next. Okay, Jake, let's continue. In part 1, you wrote down your income. What was your monthly income again?
It's $2,500 from my job at the grocery store.
Perfect. Now it's time to write down all your monthly expenses.
What do you mean by expenses?
Expenses are all the things you spend money on, like rent, food, gas, your phone bill, and other things.
Oh, okay. I think I spend money on rent, food, gas, phone, internet, clothes, and sometimes fast food.
Great. Let's write them all down.
All right. Rent is $900. Food is around $400. Gas is $150. My phone bill is $60. Internet is $50. Clothes, maybe $100. And fast food is about $120.
Let's add them. Let me count. $900 plus $400 plus $150 plus $60 plus $50 plus $100 plus $120. That's $1,780 total.
Wow, I didn't realize I spend that much every month.
That's why budgeting is important. Now you know how much money goes out.
So I have $2,500 income and $1,780 expenses. I still have $720 left?
Yes, and that's a good thing. Now we'll decide what to do with that extra money.
Can I save it?
Yes, you can save, invest, or use part of it for fun, like movies or hobbies. But saving is smart.
How much should I save every month?
A good goal is to save 20% of your income. For you, that's $500.
Okay, so I'll save $500 and have $220 left for fun.
Exactly. That's called planning your money. Let's now make categories for your budget.
Categories?
Yes. We group your spending into types, like 1, housing, rent, 2, food, groceries and fast food, 3, transportation, gas, 4, utilities, internet and phone, 5, clothing, clothes, 6, savings, money saved, 7, entertainment, movies or fun.
That makes sense. It looks more organized.
Yes, budget categories help you see where your money goes.
So I write these categories and put the amount next to each?
Right. Let's try. Housing, $900. Food, $520. Transportation, $150. Utilities, $110. Clothing, $100. Savings, $500. Entertainment, $220.
That adds up to $2,500. Perfect.
Exactly. That's a complete monthly budget.
I feel like I'm learning something really important.
You are. Budgeting helps you stay in control of your money.
What if my expenses change next month?
Then update your budget. It's flexible. If you spend more on gas, spend less somewhere else.
So I can adjust it?
Yes, budgets are not fixed. You can change them as your life changes.
What about unexpected costs?
That's where savings help. It's good to have an emergency fund. Money for surprises like car repairs or doctor visits.
How much should I keep for emergencies?
Try to save at least 3 months of expenses. For you, that's around $5,000 over time.
That's a lot, but I'll try.
You don't need to do it all at once. Start small. Save a little every month.
All right, I can do that.
Also, keep track of your spending during the month.
Like, write it down?
Yes, use a notebook or a budgeting app. Just write what you spend each day.
That sounds helpful. I never know where my money goes by the end of the month.
Exactly. Tracking spending helps you stay on budget.
Do you track your spending too?
Yes, I do. I check my budget once a week.
Wow. I should start doing that.
You'll get better with time. Just keep practicing.
Thanks, Emily. This is really helpful.
You're welcome. Want to talk next time about saving goals and avoiding overspending?
Yes, that would be great.
Okay, let's do that in our next chat.
Looking forward to it.